In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export or generate transparent video with subtitles in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is a game changer because of the following reasons. If you'd like to create your subtitles in an application like Subtitle Edit and just have to import them as a transparent video with all the different variations of edits you've made in a non-linear editing application like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even Camtasia, Filmora, CapCut, and so on and so forth, it's now possible to do that in Subtitle Edit. Now, this is a feature that is coming out in July of 2024, and it's called Generate Transparent Video with Subtitles. It was requested by Jedit Pro, and here's the discussion of that particular request. Export subtitles .ass and .srt as quicktime.mov with alpha. Now, what it means technically is you'll be able to see the subtitles, but the video is just blank. It's transparent. Now, so please add an option to export your subtitles as QuickTime. All this so that they can be used in the following non-linear editing applications. And these are a feature that has been available in high-end subtitling applications and not in any of the free applications. Now, these the high-end subtitling applications include Subtitles, is it called Subtitle Next? All those have actually had this particular feature for a while now. So most of these applications are really built on FFmpeg. So all that was needed was the FFmpeg CMD line, and that was it. We now have a working application or feature in Subtitle Edit. That is all what that was needed. Now, if you'd like to download the latest version, as always, you go to the releases page, and I will leave the links to the releases page and this particular discussion in the description below, that you can actually check it out. So, Subtitle Edit beta as of yesterday. Now, I've got that version here. And if I check about, it's Subtitle Edit 4.0.6 next beta 106. Now, if all you want to do is just make transparent videos with subtitles, that is, you have your video and your subtitle, one thing you need to do is make sure that you have FFmpeg downloaded. So if I click on the gear icon there, I can go to waveform and click on download FFmpeg if I don't already have it installed. That is the one requirement, and the reason why I'm saying that is when you come to the generate transparent video with subtitles, if you don't have FFmpeg installed, it is not prompting you like when you want to go to generate video with band-in subtitles. I'm almost sure if I make those particular comments here for Nicolaj to consider, it's going to be actually made available, so that if you don't have FFmpeg, then it's going to prompt you. Now, what I'm going to do, I already have my video and subtitle here. So I'm going to generate the video with transparent video with subtitle. Just open the video. There we go. And then go to File, Open Keep Video, select my subtitle, click on Open. And it's already ready. My assumption is you've done all the editing that you'd like to do to your subtitle. You've made, for example, let's say we actually do something here. For this one, let's change the alignment. Let's have it top center. So if I actually check it out, it's up here. As for this one, down there. As for this one, let's have it, the alignment, let's have it, yeah, right there. Now, this is really, really awesome because if you have lower third graphics here, you can actually change all that. Now, let's go to video, generate transparent video with subtitles. And we already have some few options here to actually change and so on and so forth. Now, this is really good, especially now that we have the outlines, the bolds, right inside the generate transparent video with subtitles, as with the band-in subtitles. Now, one request that I would have right here is, can we have like the preview window like in generate video with more or less to the band-in option, so that we can actually preview how they look like, that is the size, depending on the font that we're working with, because sometimes you don't also want to go manipulating the video once it is in the non-linear video editing application that we're using. Now, I've also seen a request somewhere here for like if we can generate only the subtitle selected area. This would also be really awesome. So it's something that is actually going to do a lot of magic for everyone. So let's assume that we're satisfied with everything. I'll just click on generate. It's going to prompt me where I want to save it. I'll save it in the same folder. And now here's where the magic happens. I initially saved this as an MP4, and when I tried to use it in DaVinci Resolve or Camtasia, they did not work. Now, if you want that to work, go to MOV, because this comes in with alpha. So just click on save. And one thing I've noticed is even if you save with MP4, it's also working in CapCut and Filmora. So if you want it to work across the board, just go with MOV, click on save, and it's going to be burned in super fast. There we go. Open containing folder. If I just double click on it, it's just the subtitles burned in, and you can see how they are moving up and down. Now let us test them in a non-linear video editing application like Camtasia. This Camtasia 2023. Just import media. Just import those two. Click open. I'll just drag this one first, and then I can just drag this down here. There we have them. The subtitles are ready, and if you actually play this, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the scripts. You can see your subtitles moving up and down. I've always requested Camtasia to actually help us or make us use their captions in this way that we can manipulate so that we can position. Because they refused, now we have something, an easy way to do it using a free application. Now, the one other thing I've noticed is that it's like generating a 30-second clip for an unknown reason. I've actually not tested out a longer video to see how it works, but you need to adjust this back here. And then if you play, feature to simulate eye contact with the camera even when you're reading from a script. Welcome to this video. My name is David, and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. It looks really good. So you can actually make your subtitles to look the way you want them to look like. Let's close this. Right inside here, the colors, the sizing, and so on and so forth. But for the sizing, especially for this, you need to work with this particular option here. But if you're dealing with .ass, Advanced Substation Alpha, then whatever changes you make right in here in your styles, that is what all your subtitles are actually going to look like. Even if you want to put like an opaque box behind that, that is what they're going to look like in the long run once you have them with a transparent background. Yeah, so we go here. That's in Camtasia. It's working really good. Let's just close it out. No. Let's go to DaVinci. Let's import media. These two videos. Open. Whatever. And then just have this on the timeline here. And then we can have our transparent one right there. And then we can just pull this here. And if you actually play this, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to. You can already see our subtitles right inside there. To use the script's eye contact feature to simulate eye contact with the camera, down, even when you're reading from a script. Welcome to this video. Super awesome and super handy for people who have been looking out for a feature like this. It's available in Subtitle Edit to generate transparent video with subtitles. I'll leave links to this in the description below, so if you have any suggestions, you can actually plug your comments right inside here so that it can be improved. Check out for bugs, maybe some other finer things. For example, you can see there's a request to generate only the subtitle selected area, which would really be awesome and save you a ton of time, because sometimes you just don't want to generate subtitles for everything. Maybe a request for the preview, that would be awesome. And also to get to understand what type of bug is this that is actually generating that particular video as just a 30-second clip. If I test out a longer video, hopefully that does not happen, But that is how you can export or generate transparent video with subtitles for free in Subtitle Edit. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.